Looking for a ultra luxury villas in Hyderabad? Welcome to Vetex Kingston Park, an iconic address for ultra luxury living in Nallagandla, Hyderabad. Spread across 40 acres with 250 villas only. Just minutes from IT hubs, High-Tech City, Gachibowli and Financial District. The clubhouse is the heart of the community. A premium space with gym, pool, indoor games and lounges. Perfect for fitness, relaxation and social living. Smart living, future ready, easy connectivity, green space, safe investment, gated lifestyle.